Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be seeing this question of quadratic discriminant. The question wants us to find the range of values of p for which 4x squared minus px plus 1 equals 0. Obviously, this is a quadratic equation, and you remember that quadratic equations are of the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For this quadratic equation to have real values, then b squared minus 4ac must be greater than or equals to 0. Actually, this b squared minus 4ac, you remember, is from the formula that says x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, in case you have gray areas with quadratic equations or you've seen quadratic equations for the first time, we have a full lesson on quadratic equation, which I'll place a link to in the description below. Now, if x is equals to minus b plus or minus b squared, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, remember that this is a general format for every quadratic equation. Now, back to our question. We have 4x squared minus px plus 1 equals 0. That tells me that my a here will be equals to 4, my b will be equals to minus p, and my c will be equals to 1. Now, I've likened this equation to the general format so that my b squared, for me to have real roots, I have my b squared minus 4ac must be greater than or equals to 0. So that I'll have minus p, that's my b now, all raised to power 2, minus 4 into a, of course, is 4, and c is 1, must be greater than or equals to 0. So that I'll have p squared minus 16 must be greater than or equals to 0. So that p squared now must be greater than or equals to 16. Now, if p squared must be greater than or equals to 16, now the value of p definitely will come from the square root of p squared and 16. P must be greater than or equals to 4, or p must be less than or equals to minus 4. That's from both ends. The square root of p, the square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. Now with this, if p is greater than 4, then I'll have real roots, and if p is less than or equals to minus 4, I'll have real roots. With this, I hope you understood how I treated this discriminant. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. We'll be there to respond to you. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.